Good morning, Jesse. Thank you so much for joining me this morning with the Oklahoma Blood Institute. There's lots of updates and new things going on. So could you give us a little insight on what our inventory is looking like?
So right now, we've never seen a literally global pandemic in Oklahoma Blood Institute or any blood center. So while it's already hard to keep up with the need for blood in the state of Oklahoma, putting this COVID-19 pandemic on top of that has made it really difficult. And currently we are in an immediate need for all blood types. Our inventory is sitting at less than a 2-day blood supply. So we are really critically asking Oklahomans to come out and donate blood. Every 2 seconds, someone needs blood. So if you think about that, thousands of people every day are receiving blood transfusions, and it takes that many donors to keep up with our blood supply. So we have a lot of different ways that people can participate and get involved. If you want to go to our website, obi.org, we always have kind of a running scroll of what's going on, and we encourage everyone in this time to, use Donor Express, which is kind of how you can save time at the blood drive. We have a lot of new safety measures in place. We are asking our donors and our staff to wear a mask every day. We're doing social distancing, lots of extra cleaning, just trying to keep up with the FDA and CDC guidelines while making sure the blood supply is there for Oklahomans. Even in the middle of a pandemic, people are having car accidents, people are going through cancer treatment, newborn babies are needing blood, trauma patients, people having major surgeries. So really just encouraging everyone to take 1 hour and still give blood. Come see us during this. We do have a really cool event coming up, Beth Ann. Would you tell everybody about our dream vacation?
Yes, of course. So August 29th, we have a big blood drive that we're having at Oakwood Mall, and we are giving away one lucky winner in the state of Oklahoma is going to win a dream vacation to Big Cedar Lodge in Branson, and we've lots of local businesses donating gift cards. So that's not the only giveaway we're going to have. We're going to have gift cards and lots of other fun things, bowling passes, lots of other things. So another thing is Vanessa's food truck is going to be there giving free street tacos to everyone as well. So this is a really exciting event. It's also the last day that donors can get the summer themed t-shirt. I encourage donors that if they've donated already this summer and they are eligible, we've got lots of different colors, so they can come out and get a different color of that t-shirt as well. So we're very excited about that. Another incentive is that donors are able to get the free COVID-19 antibodies test with their blood donation. So could you kind of touch base on what that means and what that can do for donors?
Yeah, so at that dream vacation, what time is it going on?
It's going to be from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Donors can donate. They can sign up online at obi.org. They can call our center at 580-233-9323. They can find us that way. But online appointments, we really encourage that so we can ensure social distancing and get people in and out as quickly as possible.
Where is it at the mall?
Oakwood Mall. It's going to be in the old Sugar Rush location, so right across from Chin Garden.
Okay, sounds great. Well, yeah, like you said, we are doing the antibody testing, and now we've actually implemented anyone 16 and older can get an antibody test. So you do have to have a parent's signature or parental consent for 16 and 17-year-olds, just as you would if they were coming to donate anyways. And then 18 and older, we do the testing on everyone unless you opt out. That testing is just going to let you know if you've been exposed to COVID-19 or maybe you had it. So many people were sick in December and January, and they think, I probably had COVID-19. I had all the symptoms that people are talking about now. So you can come out and we'll let you know if you have those antibodies. If you have the antibodies, there is such a bigger way that you can help with what's going on right now. So we will let you know if you test positive for those antibodies, and then we would encourage you to go to biolinked.org. So you can go to our website, obi.org, and click on the big BioLink button, and you can register to be a convalescent plasma donor. That's something very new. We haven't done that before. Right when COVID-19 started happening, everyone was kind of at a rush to be able to produce this product, but it is a very successful way to treat COVID-19. So when somebody is in the ICU, they're on a ventilator, this is part of the trio of medicines or drugs that we give them, and it's been very successful in getting people off the ventilator, out of the ICU, and on their way to recovery. So 7 days after you donate whole blood, if you go to BioLinked and register, and we get you cleared saying that, you don't have any symptoms, and, we make sure you're healthy and well first, you can come in and donate convalescent plasma. You do have to register to do this and be cleared through our system. Okay. So you can't just get the positive antibodies and then show up and want to donate convalescent plasma. You have to reach out to us. You have to get registered because it is a different type of product. It takes a little bit longer than donating whole blood, so we want to be prepared for you to come.
So are there any special incentives for convalescent plasma donors versus just regular blood donation?
There are. We've really put in a pretty substantial program for people who donate convalescent plasma. Every weekday, we're giving away 2 $1,000 Visa gift cards. So right now, we only have about 20 to 50 people in the whole state donating convalescent plasma each day. So out of 20 to 50, you have a chance of winning one of 2 $1,000 Visa gift cards.
Wow.
The need for convalescent plasma has actually increased by 700%. So it's big. Hospitals are calling us every day wanting this product because they know it's a way to help people who are critically ill right now with COVID-19. So again, there's 2 ways that you can be a convalescent plasma donor. Either you have tested positive for COVID-19, you had a diagnosis from your doctor, or you tested positive through us for having those antibodies. So if either of those would, be someone, we ask them to reach out to us. You can just give us a call at 580-233-9323, and we'll walk you through that process of getting registered with BioLinked, or you can go to our website. But get registered, and we'll let you know how you can, take your donation further and help people right now with COVID-19. When you donate blood, you're helping people who, have cancer or newborn babies or trauma victims, car accident victims, and then you can take it a step further with that plasma donation and help people who are critically ill with COVID-19. So I'm really glad that Oklahoma Blood Institute was able to, fast pass this with the FDA and get approved to start collecting this product and transfusing it. We've transfused almost 3,000 patients, and it's had such a high success rate. So we're really looking for more convalescent plasma donors right now.
And I think a lot of people in our community aren't aware that, we service both hospitals in this community. So all the blood products that are, servicing our medical facilities in Enid are coming straight from the Oklahoma Blood Institute. So donors that come in are helping people in this community as well. And, the COVID-19 has been really overwhelming, but we service 13 counties. So we have blood drives going on every single day. And, if it's convenient for you to donate after work, before work, on the weekends, at your churches, you can find those blood drives on our website. And there's other ways to get involved as well. You can, sponsor a blood drive, host a blood drive at your business or your church. You can volunteer with us. We have wonderful volunteers that help us every single day. And so I want to make sure that people know that maybe they can't donate for whatever reason that is, and they can help us in other ways.
Yeah, so we're always looking for volunteers. Like you said, volunteers contribute over 500 hours every month. With Oklahoma Blood Institute, we wouldn't be able to operate without our volunteers. If you're interested in volunteering, again, just give us a call at our Enid Center. Anywhere in Northwest Oklahoma, you can volunteer. We're always looking for high school volunteers, college. You can get credit toward community service hours. And then, like you said, maybe you can't donate anymore. You've had a health condition or something that keeps you from donating. That's another great way to really be active right now in what's going on in the world today, helping us at blood drives, helping us call people to schedule a blood donation, rolling T-shirts. Everybody loves our T-shirts, but those T-shirts, each one has to get rolled, and so we have boxes and boxes of T-shirts that have been, are ready to be rolled. What would you say to somebody that's really just looking for a blood drive? They don't live in Enid. How would you go about finding a blood drive or somewhere you could help out in surrounding communities?
Of course. So they can just go to our website at obi.org, click Find a Blood Drive, put in their zip code, and they can find a blood drive near them on any day of the week, any time that works for them. But I thank you so much for meeting with me today, and I hope that we've challenged this community to donate blood.
Thank you so much. I hope to see Oklahomans out giving blood and helping their community.